Why does your scanner show the P0768 engine code? What does it mean? P0768 is a diagnostic trouble code for shift solenoid D electrical. This engine code indicates that the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, has detected an issue with the electrical circuit of the D-shift solenoid, which controls gear changes in your vehicle's automatic transmission. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Defective shift solenoid D. Wiring issues. Low or dirty transmission fluid. Faulty TCM or PCM. Valve body issues. Internal transmission damage. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Audi, BMW, Ford, Honda, Nissan, Toyota, Mercedes-Benz, and Subaru models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.